있어요. Hatching? Oh my goodness! The eggs on my head. Today's story time is this one. There is a bird on your head. 너 머리 위에 새가 한 마리 있어. 구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정까지. This one is so interesting book. I'm gonna read this book today with you guys. So shall we start together? Okay, let's go. 제랄드랑 피기랑 같이 등을 기대고 이렇게 쉬고 있는 것 같아요. 그런데 자 보세요. 누가 한 마리 날아오냐면 새가 한 마리 날아와요. 헉, 제랄드 머리 위에 새가 한 마리 날아오고 있는 것 같은데 피기! Hey, 피기! Is something on my head? There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? 표정이 별로 안 좋아요. 도망가고 있어요. Gerald is running away. Is there a bird on my head now? No. No. There are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why will two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? Oh my God. Look at the picture. There are already 3 eggs on Gerald's head. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have a good news. What is it? What's the good news? The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. 새끼들이 나오려고 하고 있어요. Hatching? Oh my goodness. The eggs on my head are hatching. Chip, 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 chip. They have hatched. Now, I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I don't want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye-bye. Now, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. 새들이 떠난 줄 알았더니 피기 머리 위에 올라와서 둥지를 들었네요. 표정이 너무 안 좋아. This is the end of the story. 자, 오늘은 여기까지. 너 머리 위에 새가 한 마리 있어 라는 책이었습니다. 다음 시간에 또 재밌는 책으로 돌아올게요. 바이바이.